First, sign into your account in the top right corner and make sure your zip code is correct. You'll see the stores available to you based on your zip code. For each store, you'll also see the minimum order and delivery fees. If you are in a program where only certain stores are available, you will see a label with your program name next to it. Once you've chosen a store, click the green button to enter that store. Inside the store, you can scroll down and browse the available items right away. You can also use the search bar at the top to find a specific item. On the left, you can filter your search by department. You will see a label with your program name next to the eligible item. In my case, my program is labeled with this Mercado icon. There are two ways to add items to your cart. First, by clicking on the plus sign on a specific item. It will be automatically added to your cart. If you'd like a specific quantity of that item, use the plus or minus sign button. Second, you can click on the item itself to see more images and information about that item before adding it to your cart. Click the Add to Cart button to add it to your cart. Once you finish shopping, click on your cart on the upper right-hand corner of your screen to review your items. In your cart, you'll see the store you've been shopping at, and you can adjust the quantity of any item, remove items, and add item preferences. You can also continue shopping if you want to add more. If you'd like to place the order using only credits, make sure all items are eligible to your program by looking for your program label. When you're ready to proceed, click the green button at the bottom to go to checkout. At checkout, fill in and make sure your contact information and delivery information is correct. Then, choose your fulfillment option. You can choose either delivery or pickup. If you choose pickup, you'll avoid delivery fees or tips. If needed, adjust your date and time for a more convenient delivery or pickup. Next, you'll see the payment info section. This is where you can see the amount of credits you have available and how many will be applied to this order. On the right, you'll also see your subtotal, delivery fee, and tip. You can adjust the tip if needed as well. Remember that there is a temporary authorization hold on every order. Keep in mind, this is in addition to the order total, so you will need enough credits to cover the authorization hold. Once your order has been fulfilled, any difference in the final order total will be refunded back to you. On the right-hand side of the checkout screen, you may see an option for replacements. If your program allows it, you can check this box to receive a replacement for any out-of-stock items. If an item is unavailable, you can choose to let the merchant select a replacement for you, or you can ask them to call you to discuss your options. Keep in mind, if you choose to be contacted but can't be reached, the out-of-stock items won't be replaced. You'll also see the items in your cart, so you can make any final updates on these items. You will also see a breakdown of your total. If your total is 0, that means only your credits will be used for this order. If your program allows for it, you can also use Snap, debit, or credit as a payment method if needed. Once you've selected your preferred payment method, click on Submit Payment Options. When you're ready, click Place My Delivery Order at the bottom of the screen, then you'll be directed to the thank you page, where you'll see your order number and a confirmation email will be sent to you. Your order is now placed.